beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your August forecast for Earth signs Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know an Earth sign, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share, friends. And click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much, friends. Many angel blessings. Friends, I will be pulling individual cards at the end of this reading for your sun sign. So you can make sure to watch the full reading. And if you want Hindi versions or Urdu versions of this reading, it is in the timestamp, so you can go there on our other channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi, and you can join there for more Hindi and August Hindi horoscopes. So let's see. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, what's the theme of the month for you for August? Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Oh my god, your cards are flying. The Emperor. Let me just pick the cards. So the card that flew down was Five of Cups. The Emperor, theme for the month of August for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel like you're trying to control your emotions, Earth signs. Why? Oh my god, see? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, the Emperor, Five of Cups, Eight of Swords, the theme of the month. I think you are trying to... work-wise, you will be a leader, that's for sure. Your success in your career and work will be very high this month. Your focus, I think some of you could be getting very good at what you do. Your success will be very high, especially at work, and in your career you may get a leadership role, you may get a promotion or something. So you will be very in charge in this month, in control. I feel like Earth signs, you are controlling your emotions this month. I don't know why, but you are feeling emotionally, you may feel like you are missing someone. You're missing someone. You feel like some things are not there in your life. You feel a bit nostalgic. You feel a little sad. You may be missing an air sign, or you miss love, or there is a distance between you and someone. So you're missing. The energy of missing is there in August as theme for you. Also, there are some... I think you are your own worst enemy this month, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I see like there are no restrictions, but you may stop yourself from moving towards love, because I see you being very logical about life, logical about love. You want love, there is love near you, and there is like work near you, but you are like, no, I will not accept it. Maybe it's ego, maybe it's pride, maybe you don't even feel you are worthy of such a thing. So you are stopping. You are your own worst enemy this month. I don't know why, because you are in a very strong leadership role. Work-wise, this will be great for you, but in love, it can create a lot of problems or disappointments, or maybe it's like you will not even make a move to somebody. And if they make a move towards you, you'll be like, nah, this won't work, you know? Why is this person coming to me? You're very logical, very logical this month, and you're emotionally very like you're missing something, like love is missing, someone is missing. Ooh, let's see what's gonna happen. I have to now shuffle and see. Wheel of Fortune, changes are coming. See, positive changes are coming in your love life, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You have to keep some patience and keep emotions open, you know. Something will happen, something destined, some positive changes in your love life regarding an Aquarius, Libra, death. See the transformation. Things are changing big time. Big changes, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, in your love life. Something is destined, you are moving towards it. You will be ending a relationship, or coming out of a bad breakup or toxic relationship, you still miss that person. Maybe that person will come back, or you will move ahead but you still miss them. There is a lot of energy. My god, your cards are all over the place. Angels, what's going on? Wow, it's a big month for you, they say. Angels are saying it's a big month. For Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, their love life angels. Three of Cups. See, I see new people coming your way, friends. New people, new friendships. Page of Swords, Five of Wands, Knight of Cups. And see the Three of Pentacles in reverse. You don't want to work with people. Non-cooperation movement. You are like, I will not cooperate. Why should I cooperate? I am the boss. So, no, I'm the boss. I'm the leader. Why should I cooperate? Okay. So you start the month, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, with big changes in your love life. Something is moving ahead or someone is coming towards you. Your love life is definitely changing gears. A relationship is shifting. Maybe it is a general reading, so it may be different for all of you, or it could be... So take whatever resonates, you know. It's for a lot of people. And since we are growing day by day, so it's even... You know, the number of people are increasing, so the messages are also getting more and more. Some of you may end a relationship and move ahead. For some of you, the person or the relationship that has ended, that person will come back, or you will want to talk with them. There will be some happy talks, or you will meet them at common friends, or, you know, there will be some happy energies coming your way, some friendships, some common friends calling you both, you meeting them. I feel like if you are really single and very, very long time you had been single but you still miss a twin flame, a past lover, you will just decide to move away. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you are like, I'm done. If you are single, I'm done with this past. I want new love. You will socialize, you will date, you will talk with people, or people will talk with you, they will want to date you. But you will still miss this person from the past. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, you will still miss this person, and you will try to talk with them, or they will try to talk with you. But I feel like again some difference of opinion can happen with this person, because you are very logical and this person is either logical or emotional. But see, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Whew. I see you start the month with a lot of happy energies, lot of positivity, lot of happy energies, friendships, dating, communications, talks, celebrations, anniversaries or something is coming. Maybe it's your birthday or their birthday. Someone has a birthday and you are gonna enjoy a lot. But then mid of the month, I see some difference of opinions, arguments happening. You are logical. This person is also like fixed, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or they are very sensitive, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So difference of opinions are happening. You may feel like you don't want to cooperate with them. This person is non-cooperative. You may say like, oh, they are non-cooperative. I feel you are being very rigid, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I'm sorry, because you are coming as a leader. You are like, my way or the highway, baby. So there will be a non-cooperation movement in your love life in August, at the mid of the August. But I think you will recover from it, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. And things will eventually get better, and they will get moving in positive ways for you. So definitely things will get better at the end of this month. But you will start the month feeling very, very happy. Big changes, like I will, you know, this is like you will make big plans. I will let go, you know, I will get married, I will settle down, I will date. And yes, that's exactly what you are going to do. But mid of month, fights will happen, arguments will happen. This person from your past will return, or you will want to talk with them. There is disappointment, there are confessions, there are apologies coming. But again, you are not on the same page together. Good Lord. But you can be on the same page. I think you both will make this thing work because you have the Wheel of Fortune, you have the Emperor. You will still win this person. I know that. So, let's see. Anything else for Capricorn, Virgos, Taurus, darkest fear, anxiety? Yeah, I felt that. You will be feeling a little anxious this month because you are controlling. Some fears are there. See, some fears are there, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You may feel some fears, anxiety. You may feel like you have lost someone, a relationship won't work, or you will be worried. You will be worried. You will feel you are your own enemy this month. Sorry to say, but that's how it is. But you can still try and relax and enjoy this month because there is a lot of excitement and happiness. So, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, take it easy and enjoy. It's all in your mind. So, let it go. Things are not as bad as they seem to you. I also feel in your work, I feel some positive changes are absolutely coming. The Wheel of Fortune is with you, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but with the Wheel of Fortune, you may also have to end a job or move away from a job or change a city. You may get a job in another city. So you will get a job or some new project or some success in your work. But there will be some changes also along with that good news. I also feel if you are a student, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, competition will be very high. So get ready to be a emperor. Get ready to settle and fight because competition is high, especially in interviews, exams, or even you may find a person, a partner, a colleague, a student you study with who is very competitive. So be careful about that. Let's see your individual cards. How the month will be for Virgos. Let's see that. How the month will be, August will be for Virgos. For Virgos, angels, open up. Four of Pentacles. You need to talk. You need to talk. See, don't stay in anxiety. Don't stay in Eight of Swords. Don't stay in pain. Share your love. Love isn't love until you give it away. Love wasn't put in your heart to stay. Love isn't love till you share it away. Friends, share, open your heart, talk, Virgos. You need to talk. And others want to know you, so get out. Start dating, start talking, start sharing. If nothing, you can write in our comments. You can write in community. You can email me if nothing else. Just breathe. You could be dealing with a twin flame. Four of Cups, you could be dealing with a twin flame. I think 4-4, again 4-4 energy is there. So, friends, I feel like things are not really bad, Virgos. You need to just, you're very close to someone. Someone is very close to you. You just need to take one step, you need to extend that hand and they will love you and protect you, I feel. So just open up, Virgos. It's necessary. And look what else fell down. Win or lose. 5 of Cups. 5 of Swords. No, 5 of Cups only. Sorry, huh? Whew. Things are not so bad, Virgos. You feel disappointed or you miss someone but you don't want to take a step. I think this will heal, friends. This will heal for you. Big changes are coming. Things will heal. They will shift. You will be able to come out of this isolation or self bondage or something, and you will open up to love and success. That's what I feel. There is a lot of love. Look at this. There is so much love in this card, but it's like you are not extending your hand, Virgos. So let's see for Taurus. How the month of August will be for Taurus. For Taurus. Share the love, the new vitality. Wow, this is beautiful. And nurture. Absolutely brilliant. Definitely, friends. A lot of happy communications, Three of Cups, a lot of celebrations, Taurus, are coming your way. Someone will share their heart. You also need to open your heart, share, socialize with people. I see this is Taurus, your month to take it light, socialize, let your hair down, and talk with people. A very new partnerships I feel are coming, a new start, a reunion, a passionate new connection. Maybe you will meet someone who is an artist, a musician, a painter, or some maybe you are these things, or you will learn these things, Taurus. Art, music, dancing, painting. Very passionate relationships are coming your way. You should, and you will also be getting some new friendships or reunions. Nurture. It is time to work on your new dreams, Taurus. You need to work on something you love, and you need to keep loving it. It's the Empress, so a twin flame could be important for you. I also feel you will be someone very nurturing is coming your way. Someone who is very protective about you, who is loving, who is caring. And I also feel you will be taking a lot of time to focus on your goals, your ambitions, your career, your friendships. That's beautiful, Taurus. Let's see for Capricorns how the month of August will be for Capricorns. Ooh. Tough, 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 Capricorns. Let's see. Choose your battles. Yes. Rest and reconsider, confront and detach. I definitely feel like, you are quite a leader this month, Capricorns. You are leading, you are very strong, people know you, people listen to you. But this may lead to arguments, ego may lead to arguments in your love life or relationships. So you need to decide when it is necessary to fight or not to fight. Maybe some dramatic people are coming your way, some difference of opinion may happen. So just let it go. If it's you have to decide when it is necessary to fight and not to fight. Rest and reconsider. I definitely feel you will be working very hard, Capricorn, this month. So it would be necessary to take some time off and rest and relax. I also feel drama will be very high in your life, like people creating drama, conflict, or ego, both at work and in love life. So take some rest and take care of yourself. Number 18, confront fears. You will face some fear, you will have some fear. Maybe it's fear of intimacy, or you don't trust a person. Those fears can come up. Trust issues are very important for you, Capricorns. You may find that someone doesn't trust you, or you are not able to trust someone. But if you just detach from the situation, you will be able to see how things are really. So I see like 1111, again a twin flame energy is here. Capricorns, I would say that this is a tough month for you, because there will be people who will want drama in your life, who will want to control you, or you want to control certain situations in your life. But I think instead of that, you should detach and follow peace. Follow a path of peace in the month of August, because you have luck with you. You have new friendships coming for you, and you have like support coming for you, success coming for you. But if you get too much of drama, or if you stay in this drama, this fighting, it can create problems for you, health issues for you. So stay careful here, please. Let's see an advice for Capricorns. Any advice? Because there's a lot of things. You may feel slightly tired this month, I feel. See, things are coming together. Two of Cups. Yeah, this is an up and down month, but eventually you are going to get your love. You are going to get your partnership. You are going to get that job done. Congratulations, Capricorns. You are acing. Don't worry. Let's see. Let's see some extra messages for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus for August. See, August is come. Look at this. I won't take all of them, but let's see. I'll shuffle again. Ooh, lots of cards are falling out. See, August is important. I told you it's a big month. August is here. This is a big month for you. Marriage is important, yes. If you are married, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, there can be power struggles, ego issues in your marriage. If you are in a relationship, marriage can, talks of marriage or commitment can lead to anger or can lead to arguments or something like that. But August is very important. Wedge, a misunderstanding, someone is trying to come between you and something. Yeah, I feel your relationships could be affected by third party situations like people trying to interfere your life. You will not like it. If they do that, you are not going to like it. Turkey, someone is behaving stupidly. Yeah, if someone creates drama for you, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you are like, bye bye, bye bye. I will not talk with you. I will not waste my time on you. Mule, someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling. Yeah. I think it might be you also very stubborn this month, very fixed. Also, other people are also very fixed for around you, so it may lead to arguments. Parrot, someone will gossip all your secrets. So yeah, people can make you angry this week or this month because there is someone who is behaving stupidly, there is someone who is egoistic, there is someone who is gossiping about you. But then you are the lion, it doesn't affect you. People talk about you because you are the pride of the jungle. You are the mighty lions. Wow, friends. Lightning, control your anger. I definitely see, Capricorns, you need to control your anger because I see you lashing out on someone like, woo, 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 woo. You let me know, you come back. Many people come back after the month or mid of month and confirm the readings. I definitely feel you can lose your temper on someone who behaving stupidly. Unsettled times need to plan ahead. Definitely you are planning ahead. August is like you are planning for next 5 years, 2 years. Your plans are for the future. Sunrise, new ideas, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. Definitely positive things are coming. Shield yourself. You need to protect and defend yourself. Definitely, friends. I think the best way this month for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is to avoid drama and to stay open emotionally so that you can enjoy this marriage, this love, this sunrise, this beautiful energies, vulture, depression, anxiety, that someone is against you. You might feel a little depressed or little unhappy, or right now you are feeling that, but I think you will be able to recover if you share yourself. Connect with your emotions, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. It's necessary. Let me just pull one card. Pin, a new career or job, so you don't need to worry, friends. Something new is coming your way. And that's it for now, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I wish you a very happy August. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Join our other channel Magic Vans Tarot Hindi. The link is in the description box. This is Mystic C saying bye.